Hello and welcome back, and in this tutorial we're adding on with shared preferences, and last lecture, if you remember, we've been running our program, and after let's run our program, and actually so that we may actually see what is happening here. Run it in a more explanatory manner. So here we will let's just dump in some random calls. When we click here and leave our application by clicking the center button, and we get back, our data is there, and we click back and we come back, our data is going. So what we need to do now is make sure that our shared preferences are able to retrieve it in case if maybe you click the back button, and when you come back, you should be able to see your data back. So what we're going to do is introduce shared preferences. What you need to do is create shared preferences here, two fields here, and the shared preferences dot edit this time, and our editor is going to be responsible for editing in our text, editing our shared preferences. So now we're going to override this on pose method. And I know I actually said I would look at these on pose life cycle of an application, but I'm thinking that we'll look at these in the next tutorial as our first introduction when we go on into the intermediate part, growing in Android. So, but for now, you should know our application, when it is triggered, it starts on from the on start. We go on to the on create, then there are the trailing methods of the day, and then after that you can be able to go through the on pause methods and many other. So programs just